Hello everyone, I hope you are very well. In this video, we will learn how to conjugate the verb avoir in the present indicative in French. The French irregular verb avoir, which means to have, is one of the most frequently used of all French verbs. Avoir is also an auxiliary verb. Avoir is one of the most important French verbs. So now start conjugate of avoir verb. They, I have. They, I have. Now it's your turn. Another one is tu as. You have. Tu as, you have. It is informal way. Now it's your turn. Il a, he has, yeah it has. Il a, he has, yeah it has. Now it's your turn. Elle a, she has, yeah it has. Elle a, she has, yeah it has. Now it's your turn. Nous avons, we have. Nous avons, we have. It is a very important pronunciation rule. If either word has a consonant at the end and a vowel at the beginning of another word, the pronunciation of both is added. For example, nous is a word and ending with S consonant, and immediately avons word starting with a vowel. So connect this word, pronunciation of this word, nous avons. Nous avons. Now it's your turn. Another one is vous avez. Same rule. S is a consonant, A is a vowel. Both sound is connect. Vous avez. You have. It is a formal way. Now it's your turn. Ils ont. Ils ont. They have. It is used masculine plural noun. Ils ont. They have. Same rule. S is a consonant, O is a vowel. Elles ont. Elles ont. They have. It is used feminine plural noun. Now it's your turn. Elles ont. Next part of this video, example of avoir verb. So now start example of avoir verb. Par example, French and English. First one is j'ai un chien. J'ai, which means I have. Un is an indefinite article. I told about last video. And chien is a dog. J'ai un chien. I have a dog. Another one is ils ont un bébé. Ils ont un bébé. They have a baby. Next one is nous avons trois chats. Nous avons trois chats. We have 3 cats. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for such a more learning videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Also like and share our videos. So thank you. A bientôt. See you soon.